Hello there, people. It's Leon the Milkman. I want to talk about an interesting topic, and that's learning. Now, as a consultant, a cheese making consultant, I've never met a cheesemaker that doesn't know more than I do. And I say that half sarcastically. I've never met one. They all tell me that they know more. I've never had a cheesemaker say to me, you know what, you just taught me something. Thank you for that. Thank you. That's going to improve my cheese making skills. The closest that I get is if somebody says, you know what, you just reminded me of something that I've forgotten. So, anyways, point that I want to make with the video is that I'm comfortable in the fact that I will die without knowing everything about all the cheeses in the world. There's always something to be learned. There's no recipe that you can use with any milk that will give you the same results if you use different milks. You've got to adapt, you've got to learn, and you've got to be comfortable, like I say, in the fact that you don't know everything about everything. But if you give me a target, then I can get close, or I can get on that target with results and feedback from those results and adjusting my method. Probably how life works in any case. So remember that. If you think you know everything, that immediately stops you from learning. Immediately. Well, why would you learn something if you know it all already? So stay open to new methods. Don't just blindly follow advice from somebody because they've been making cheese for 20 years or they're old. It's maybe just knowledge that they took as fact because of the source it came from. Test everything. Test it for yourself. Even if it's a stupid thing. Test it. Just see. Is it really like that?